Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a quick unboxing as well as perfumes 5 and 6 of my 12 perfumes for Christmas. So if you guys are just now joining not only my channel but just my 12 perfumes for Christmas, I have hauled 12 perfumes and I am splitting them up about 2 or 3 to a video because I did separate hauls like a Sephora VIB haul, a TJMaxx haul, a Ulta haul, and a fragrance net haul. So this is actually my fragrance net, but I split it up into 2 separate videos just because this is one house and then the other 2 were higher end perfumes that I've actually been testing out, and I did film like an unboxing of those. That will be coming up next. So this will be on a specific house that I decided to get. But before we get into that, Jeulia premium jewelry, they reached out to me after seeing some of my videos and they wanted to send me an item that I can unbox on my channel and then just kind of give like a quick review on my thoughts. So I'll insert that clip now of me unboxing it. Okay, so I wanted to hop on here really quick. I'm really sorry about the lighting. Typically I film during the day. This is right after work and it's raining outside and the sun's already going down. That's why my camera looks a little off because my settings are set to daytime. But I wanted to get out of here because I'm really excited to unbox this really quick. This item from Jeulia's premium jewelry, and this is the nameplate that I picked out from them that they asked if they could send to me for an unbiased review as well as an unboxing. I have already, since picking out my item, gone through the site in its entirety, and there's already stuff that I want to be getting. There's stuff I am going to be getting. I kind of thought that they did mainly affordable engagement sets. They have like gorgeous, sparkly, I believe it's like lab created gems in place of real diamonds. I eventually want to get something for when I travel. I do love my wedding set that my husband got me, so it's not anything that I would replace, but I do like the idea of having a set for when I travel so that I'm not wearing my wedding set. So I did see some really beautiful pieces there, as well as like they had a mermaid collection. As you can see, if you guys know me and watch my channel, you know I like mermaids. My favorite Disney princess is Ariel. This is like their Jack Skellington line. I also saw The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. So if you guys love stuff like that, definitely check them out. When you open the box, it comes with like the bag in case you get it as a gift. You can put the item in this really nice sleek bag, and then it comes with a greeting card. That's really nice. As well as this, what is this? The silver polishing cloth, high quality cotton. Oh, this is nice. It's like a little card and it comes with the cleaning cloth with their logo. That's really nice. And then da-da-da-da. So you pull the box out, really nicely packaged. That's what the box looks like. And then the item is in this little baggie. It looks like it's double bagged. So you pull this out. And then it's in this bag. That's nice, so that it doesn't get tangled, I guess. I've been wanting a nameplate, a really pretty dainty nameplate. So pretty. And I got the 16-inch with an extension. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm really excited about that. This is on its last link, just so you guys can see the length. And then when I do my video, I don't know what I'm gonna be wearing, but I'll probably wear it shorter. But I actually like this length. So I'm gonna wear it shorter in my video, but I like this length. But I like that I can move it up if I do wear something that's a little bit higher in the neckline. And then the thickness is a really, really nice thickness. And this is sterling silver, 925 is on the end of that heart, that cute little heart. So yeah, I just wanted to really quickly unbox this item. I am looking a little busted, but I just got out of work and slipped on a nice comfy sweatshirt and just hopped on here so I could quickly do this unboxing for you. So let's get back to the video. So they were so kind and I'm so appreciative that they asked me to select a piece of jewelry out. And this piece is $45 and then they have it on sale currently for like, I wanna say 15% off, which is currently $38.25. I could have selected anything. They had things ranging into the hundreds, but this is actually a piece of jewelry that I've been wanting. And then since ordering it, there are other pieces that I'm interested in. And I will have the website as well as a link to this specific style in my description box. So I'm just gonna put some pictures of items that I absolutely love. So there's this like beautiful cocktail ring, and it's called the Jeulia B design, and it's in sterling silver. So this is one that I'm really interested in. And then they have the matching earrings. And then these Pac-Man earrings. I am an 80s baby, a 90s kid. These are gorgeous. So these earrings, and as well as these beautiful stud earrings. I have been wanting diamond studs, but I do not want to pay diamond stud price. So once Jeulia reached out to me, I did kind of research the company, and they have like, I want to say 2 million likes on Facebook. And then I saw tons of YouTube videos. So they seem like a pretty decent company. And the fact that they reached out to my baby channel means so much to me. I've been getting so much love ever since starting these fragrance videos. And you guys just don't understand how humbled I am by that. Thank you, Jeulia Jewelry, for giving me this opportunity to wear this beautiful piece. So I did want to go over that, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into perfumes 5 and 6 of my 12 perfumes for Christmas. Sorry if the camera shifted a little bit, but let's go ahead and get into perfumes 5 and 6. And that is from the house of Versace. And I did decide to get both. And that is Versace Parfum de l'Bleu and Versace Eros Parfum. Both of these are eau de parfum. And both of these are 1.7 ounces. I did buy this one blindly, and I did open it and smell it. All right, so first up, de l'Bleu, and this is a perfume that I have smelled. I actually purchased the travel, and all I can say is when I first bought this perfume, I'm like, this is a very pretty everyday citrus scent that I've smelled before. This is something that I like. It's not anything revolutionary, but the more and more I wear this perfume, the more and more I like it. I understand that this probably does smell like a lot of perfumes out there, but it's not like a lot of perfumes that I have in my collection. I don't have a lot of spring, summer, fresh scents. I have a lot of deep, dark, sweet, gourmand, winter, fall scents. So I am happy that this one is in my collection. And again, it's one that as I wear it more and more, I like it more and more. So this is the packaging, which is absolutely gorgeous. The presentation with Versace is always stunning. And when you open this up, and I gotta be careful because when I opened it up, I almost lost the bottle on my tile floor. That would have been a tragedy. And I mean, look at how beautiful this is. Let's go ahead and go over the main accords. So this perfume is described as fruity, floral, green, rose, and fresh. And I would have to agree with it being very green and fresh, like a rose fresh. So typically when there's rose in my perfume, I like it when it's like in the background. I don't like very rose heavy perfumes. I like the way they smell, they just give me headaches. So whenever I smell like a rose heavy perfume, they tend to be a little bit more vintage to me. Like the style of it is a little bit more of a vintage scent. Whereas this, I smell the rose, but in a very fresh way. I know aquatic isn't in here or described in here, but this is kind of an aquatic scent to me. When I think of this perfume, I think of a day on a boat sailing. I think of beautiful blue waters. I think of, when I smell this, this is just, it's a very pretty everyday scent. I do get fruit, but the fruit I get is tart, which is the apple. So this does have like Granny Apple in it. Let me go ahead and read off the notes. So the top notes on this are blackcurrant, Granny Smith, clover, forget-me-not, and then Jeulia, which I have no idea what that is. I try to look it up. I try to look up how to pronounce it, and I'm not sure what it is. If anyone knows, please let me know. But it's, I think it's Jeulia. And then the heart notes are eglantine rose, Petalia, rosifolia, peach, jasmine. And then the base notes are styrax, white, smooth woods, musk, and patchouli heart. I will say that I do think that the patchouli in here, I get that more as it dries down. So when I first spray this, it's a very tart, a very green, a very fresh scent. And then as it dries down, this isn't a scent that changes too much. It dries down to a little bit less of a sharp scent. I do find this to be very sharp in the opening. Again, it's that tart, that granny apple. And then I do think that it dries down to be more of a fresh musk, but not like Narciso Rodriguez musk, but more of a softer, like powdery musk. And as you guys heard me mention, whenever something has musk, I do get a powder in there when I smell it. And I do get this in the dry down. I do get like a powder in the dry down. This is a very beautiful everyday scent. I like easy scents, which is what I would put this in the category for. This is a very easy everyday scent. I think this is a great scent for the office because it's not anything too heavy, not anything too projecting. It is very strong when you first spray it. It is a very sharp, tart, but once it dries down and you get to work, it's a very pretty, very everyday scent. It's not overpowering. It's not anything that's gonna leave like a strong perfume trail. It is something that if someone gets in the car with you, they'll probably smell you. If they get close into your work area, they'll probably smell you, but not anything like when you walk by or when you're coming up, someone's gonna be like, oh, she's coming down the hallway. And it's a good performing perfume. I do get about 6 to 8 hours when I wear it to work. I also like to wear this perfume to the gym. I've worn it a couple times to boot camp, and it is a great smell, like when it heats up. And again, I would put this in a very, when I don't know what to wear, this is something that I will probably pick up. And I do enjoy having perfumes like that in my collection. I do like scents that are just not too complex, and that's what this scent is to me. And I know people have said that the bottle gives off something that's going to be much more. People were disappointed in the perfume when they saw the bottle. They thought it was going to be more of like a powerhouse perfume. I think the bottle's perfect. This reminds me of the Open Blue Sea and Dylan Blue. I mean, this reminds me of, it just reminds me of sailing. I don't know what it is, and I think the bottle's perfect. It looks like the deep blue sea in a bottle. And then you got these beautiful gold accents. So yeah, so I'm really happy I picked this one up. And then this one, so the presentation, I mean, this is so, look at how nice this is. Opens up, and then you have the bottle right here. And from the bottle, this reminds me of Tommy Bahama. I did own Tommy Bahama. It's more of a citrus version of that. I smell Tommy Bahama somewhere in here, but a more citrus version of it. So I'm definitely going to follow this one up because, again, I got this blindly, but this is a very, very pretty scent. I'm liking it so far. But this one is described as citrus, white floral, woody, musky, floral fresh. And then the top notes are Sicilian lemon, Calabrian bergamot, pomegranate. Heart notes are lemon flower, jasmine sambac, jasmine infusion, and peony. And then the base notes are sandalwood, ambrox, musk, and woods. And when I smell it out of the bottle, I definitely get it's citrus. This is a very citrus scent. And then as it dries down, I could definitely get like the jasmine and the peony. I can definitely get the floral of it. But again, the citrus is very much prominent in this scent. And then the sandalwood. When I first sprayed it, I also got this spiciness, which I don't see anything. I don't know if it's like maybe the musk in the woods. There was a very like spicy sharpness to it. And then that kind of dies down. So now that I've had it for about 30 minutes, very pretty. Another beautiful daily springtime summer scent. This doesn't scream fall or winter to me. This definitely screams more spring and summer, which I also find those to be perfumes that are easy to wear year round, especially if you live in Florida, because we don't really get fall and like winter here. It's more of a feeling, like I always say. So these are definitely great everyday scents, Very pretty. I will have to follow this one up and let you know how it performs and how it plays on my skin. But something about it reminds me of Tommy Bahama. It's not an exact, but something about it reminds me of Tommy Bahama, but more citrus, a more like lemony version of it. There you have it, Perfumes 5 and 6 for 12 perfumes for Christmas. I'm really happy with these choices. I'm so far so good. So far the perfumes I have picked out, I am enjoying them. So that will do it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I upload. And until next time, guys, bye.